welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I created this look which is inspired by Arabic eye look. So I have used the new palette that I got recently, and this is what the palette looks like. It comes with the 4 matte shades and the rest with the shimmer shades. And this is by Romantic but New Fashion Beauty 24 color eyeshadow palette, and this is what the palette looks like. And this palette comes with a 24 beautiful shade, 4 matte shade, and the rest of it are shimmery. And this is what I came up with, and I created this look by using this palette. And as well as I have used new eyeliner and new eye kajal that I got from them. There's a page named Beauty Soak. What Beauty Soak does is that they sell out different products from different brands and countries which are not available in the market easily. So I got this, I don't know which one is this, Mabrookw eyeliners in the 2 shades. One is black and one is royal blue, and this is what I did on my lower lash line by using the blue one. And the liquid liner from the same brand, this is like super black. As you guys can see, it's really tiny, but the pigmentation is really amazing. You guys can see it's super pigmented. So for the highlighter, I have used a raspberry highlighter which comes in a packaging like this, and it got jelly one and as well as the pressed highlighter. So the highlighter is looking really stunning with the jelly. I thought like it would look chalky, but it's not. It's looking really amazing on the skin. And for the foundation, I have used dermacol foundation, and I'm in the shade, I think, I'm not sure of the shade name, but I'm gonna link it in the description box. So yeah, this is what I came up with, and I hope you guys like it. So the only drawback I can say about this palette is that the matte shades are really like, when you swatch them, like they're pigmented, but when you use a brush there's lots of fallout and the pigment is not that much there. So the more you blend it, the shadow will like fade out. So it's like actually a really good thing for beginners, like those who don't want to play with the really pigmented shadows. So yeah, they are easy to blend, but you really need to dip your brush again and again into the pan to get into this kind of color. So yeah, and the only thing that I really wanted in this palette was a really dark brown shade. So I got another brown shade from the other palette and I've used it on my crease. Otherwise the palette is really amazing. The shimmers are really good. So the more you use this palette with a brush, you won't get that much pigment, so you really need to use your hands because these metallic kind of shades are really good to use with the hands. So yeah, that's it. And for the cut crease area where I have used the glitter liner, it's by MAC, and this is the shade, I'm not sure the shade name, but it's the shade 1. So I have used this one, and yeah, that's all. So that's all I have to say about this palette. And the highlighter is good, but I really love the liners, the pencil liner as well as the liquid one, because they are super black and dark. So yeah, and for more details I'm gonna post my picture on Instagram, so don't forget to follow me there. So yeah, till my next video, take care, bye.